Okay, so other than possibly doing some touch-up with some more graining tools, those are the finished product that have been patched and repaired. Like those need repair, but that is in with the new, out with the old. So that's the old, that's the new. Now with this glaze, it is very interesting. At different angles, the oranges and yellows will disappear and reappear depending on how much light is hitting it. And then add to that a crappy peachy camera, and you won't be able to see anything. So that's the finished product in the hallway. And then here in the bathroom. A little beam at the top. And we are in bedroom 2. And once again, depending on the light, you will get different color tones that are popping out of the wood. It is very bizarre. That's the only way I can describe it. And my camera goes in and out on the yellows and the oranges, so it's really hard to tell what it looks like in reality. So I guess all I can say is seeing in person is what it takes. So the back sides are completely dark, and then the front sides are completely lit up. So it's just very, very, very off and on color tones. But let's just say old, crappy, black, cracked beams are gone, and there is just loveliness left. That is the finished product. Over and out.